Every motorcycle rear wheel sprocket begins its journey as raw industrial steel. High-carbon steel is selected for strength, durability, and wear resistance.
Each steel batch is carefully verified before production begins. Approved materials are transported to the machining area. Proper organization ensures efficient manufacturing flow.
Engineers digitally design the motorcycle rear wheel sprocket.
Tooth count and pitch are optimized for smooth power transfer.
Digital simulations test performance before real production.
Once approved, the design moves to manufacturing.
Steel plates are fed into CNC laser cutting machines.
Powerful lasers cut the sprocket outline with accuracy.
Computer control ensures identical results every time.
Freshly cut steel cools natural after cutting.
These blanks are now ready for precision machining.
Some sprockets are shaped using water jet technology. High-pressure water cuts without heat distortion.
This preserves the metal's internal structure. Accuracy is visually inspected after cutting. Only perfect blanks move forward.
CNC machines begin shaping the sprocket teeth.
Every blank is positioned with micrometer precision. Each tooth is carefully carved for smooth chain movement.
Perfect tooth geometry reduces wear and noise.
Material is removed with controlled precision. The center bore is drilled to fit the rear hub exactly. Coolant prevents overheating during drilling. Mounting holes are drilled with perfect alignment. Sensors confirm dimensional accuracy. Heat treatment increases strength and durability. Robots ensure safe and consistent loading. Extreme temperatures transform the steel structure. Precise temperature control is critical. Timing is everything during heat treatment. Rapid cooling hardens the steel instantly. This process locks in toughness. Controlled quenching prevents cracking. Automation ensures safety and consistency.
The sprockets stabilize before finishing.
Polishing removes sharp edges. Surface smoothness improves performance.
This step enhances safety and appearance.
Each sprocket emerges clean and refined. The transformation is clearly visible. Every surface is thoroughly cleaned.
Crafted with exacting standards. This prepares the metal for coating.
A clean surface ensures strong coating adhesion. The sprockets move to protection stage. Protective coatings prevent rust and corrosion. Chemical bonding strengthens surface durability. This layer extends service life. Excess coating is removed evenly. The coating is cured and hardened.
Precision measurement ensures exact specifications.
Advanced machines verify geometry. Hardness tests confirm durability. Only flawless parts pass inspection. Quality control guarantees reliability. Real chains test real performance. Load testing simulates riding conditions. Smooth engagement confirms precision. Noise and vibration are carefully monitored.
The sprocket is certified ready.
Brand identity is permanently engraved. Laser marking ensures traceability. Each sprocket is uniquely identified.
Craftsmanship meets precision.
The product is now complete.
Protective packaging ensures safe delivery. A final coating prevents storage corrosion.
Installation guidance is included.
Each unit is carefully packed.
Finished products move to storage. Organized inventory supports global supply.
Bulk orders are prepared for shipping.
Sprockets are shipped worldwide.
The sprocket arrives at the workshop.
The product is sealed and labeled.
From factory to riders. Worn components are replaced.
Perfect fit ensures smooth operation.
Correct torque guarantees safety.
The drivetrain is complete.
Smooth motion reflects precision. Strength and balance combined. Performance you can feel. Power flows efficiently. Engineering meets the road. Built for real-wheeled riding. Every tooth tells a story of precision. A small part with a big responsibility.